Hello everyone, we are in very uncertain time. The whole world is going through the tough time. Everyone is looking for the ways and opportunities to grow through and beyond COVID-19. Even now globally an economy is picking up post-lockdown. Businesses and people are getting back to work in many countries. And many of our clients initially experienced a slowdown in their businesses and their order volume also gone down drastically. So few of our successful clients researched and created special COVID-19 product categories which are in demand. They introduced many of the products for the very first time, and with the help of web-to-print technology, they were able to quickly change their offerings and introduce new products quickly as per the shifting market and end customer needs. So here we would like to share a few of the OnPrintShop successful clients who are very successful during COVID-19. Many of them quickly launched in their B2C and B2B online storefronts and generated great sales from existing B2B clients and even attracted many new clients requiring COVID-19 products. They quickly changed their banners and introduced wide range of print products online. Many of the products they launched were pre-designed, such as social distancing product, where many clients create an innovative range of products to help businesses maintain social distancing. For products like signs and banners, our clients created wide range of ready-to-buy designs for clients to quickly pick up and order online without any hassles. Even products like safety signs, stickers, floor decals, posters, vinyl banners, they created wide range so people can pick up and order online. And even some of the trade show specialized printers created innovative booth with sanitizers, dispensers, and standee banners to help organize outdoor events. And many clients offered personalized products such as masks, where one can personalize it online with their images and logo using an online designer studio. Even products like yard signs, graduate signs, safety signs, where any small business owner who does not have a professional designers or who does not know how to design can pick up the ready template, add custom logo and text quickly and order online. So even in lockdown, when regular businesses were down, few of our clients were very busy and generated online sales. Even one of our clients shared that they had record-breaking sales during COVID-19 in the month of April. Even the other client shared that they acquired many new clients because they offered unique COVID-19 products online. You too can quickly, easily set up and offer this range of products within a week. So if you are a print business and if you want to offer our products, contact us at www.onprintshop.com and our support team will help you quickly set up and launch the solution. Thank you.